Okay, so in this part, we're going to create our new project and get it ready so we can work on it in the next parts. So first of all, we're going to need Unreal Engine 4.23 and let's launch it. I have as installed plugin the graph formatter. You're going to find it for free in the marketplace. And we are going to need as well the animation starter pack. We're going to use this pack in our project. So first of all, we're going to create a new project, a blueprint project. As we already seen, we are not going to write any code in C++, so everyone can use blueprints and learn how to use them. And just so we have something to start with, we're going to choose a third person. Desktop console, maximum quality, no starter content, nothing of this are going to be needed. And we're going to save this as, let's say, shooting runner. And let's create the project. When the project is ready and starts, first of all, we're going to click here. I prefer this way of seeing my folders. I'm going to make sure that in my plugins the graph formatter is enabled. And now, as you may see here, you're going to be asked to start the editor. Nothing other is going to be needed. So maybe extended library as well, but we're going to see in the future. Only graph formatter for now, and this is absolutely optional. And then we're going to close it, install the animation pack here, add to project, and choose the shooting runner and add to project. And when this is done, we're going to open our project again. Let's wait a bit. Okay, it's ready. And now we're going to open our shooting runner project. I am going to start over and create again everything we need from scratch. That means that here I have a character that can move. If I use play, you can see that I can move, I can jump, I can do all this starter stuff, but I prefer to create in my own way. So I achieved two things. First of all, you guys are going to learn how to do this simple stuff over here. And secondly, I don't like using ready stuff. Okay? So first of all, we're going to go File and New Level, Default, and Save Current. Here I'm going to create a new folder called Maps. And in here I'm going to save my test map. This is going to be my test map. As the name applies, this is going to be the map we're going to use and do our testings. Alright, here we have maps. Alright, and let's start creating our folders. I am not going to need the third person stuff here and the geometry. Let's delete this. Yes. Delete. Right. We're going to use the mannequin, of course, and the anim starter pack, as you can see here. Perfect. Let's go to our content folder. Our test map should be in here. Let's move it. Right click, create a new folder. I'm going to call this blueprints. Let's right click, new folder, structs, maybe not right now, structs. Let's delete this. We're going to create it in the future. And right click, new folder, characters. I guess that's it for now, and we're going to create even more folders in the near future. Let's go in our blueprint folder, right click, and create new blueprint class. I'm going to choose player controller and name it my controller. Right click, blueprint class. Let's go right here, game mode. I know it's a game mode base here, but I want game mode, not game base. Select and go my GM, game mode. Right click, blueprint class, and search for instance. I need game instance and name it my instance. That's alright. We're going to need these. And now let's go to our characters folder, right click, blueprint class, I need a new character, and call this my character. Alright, save all, save selected. So let's go file and edit, I think edit, yes, edit project settings, and go to maps and modes. So default game mode, I'm going to use mine. Default pawn, it's going to be my character. HUD class, for now I think we don't need this. Maybe, why not? Let's be specific and create even this. Let's go HUD, select it, go my HUD, and use this for my for our UI. Player controller is going to be my controller. Game state, it's okay. Player state, spectator, everything this is fine. Okay, let's go test map here, test map here, and very important, change the instance class here to my instance. These settings are already saved, and let's go to input just to show you. This is why we chose the third person blueprint. So here we have already some inputs saved. We're going to create a game only for PC, so let's change some stuff here. On jump we want only spacebar, nothing else. Reset VR, we don't need this. On axis mappings now, move forward, we don't need the gamepads. Move right, same thing here. And I'm going to create two more. Move right. It's going to be the left here. Okay, so here we have up down, so we need left and right just to be okay. On left we're going to use -1. On alternate, it's okay, we can delete this. On turn, okay, I'm going to rename this just to be clear. On look right, all right, I don't need this, and look up is mouse C, that's fine. All right, so we're fine on inputs as well, and I think we can save all, save selected, and this is fine. If I use play now, nothing happens, of course. Okay, and that's why the game creates, of course, our default pawn, which is this character, which if I open up, you're going to see it's something empty that doesn't have any code in here, so it can't move, it can't watch around or anything else. So that's the first part. It was something very easy, and we created our project and did some basic stuff. So in the next part we are going to be ready to go on and use the stuff we created to create our perfect shooting runner. Okay, till then, see ya, be fine, thank you for watching.